Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to start a new topic, that is stars and the moon. So let's start. If we look up in the sky, a clear dark night far from the glow of street lights, we can see a faint band of light running across the heavens. This is Milky Way or on galaxy. The stars of this galaxy spread out of its center like a spiral. That is therefore known as spiral galaxy. If you want to learn how the planets are formed and how can we learn the planets, so you can click the link shown in the description. On a clear night, we can see many stars with the unaided eye. This appear to twinkle when viewed from the Earth. All the members of this galaxy, including the Sun and solar family and billions of other stars, revolve around its center is much same way as the Earth revolves around its own axis. The Milky Way is thus indeed a very huge object. However, we know that our universe contains billions of such galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy is thus but a very tiny part of the universe as a whole. Now we will learn about stars. So that's an Orion. Stars are very hot and huge heavenly objects made up of very hot gases. This is Earth's major constellation. Constellation has 7 bright stars. This is the pointers. And the most brightest star is pole star. This is the most brightest star. This is Cassiopeia, and Cassiopeia is another prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter and early part of the night. It looks like a distorted form of letter W or M. A constellation doesn't have only 5 to 10 stars, it has a large number of stars. However, we can see only the bright stars in the constellation with the unaided eye. All the stars which make up a constellation are not at the same distance, they are just in the same line in the sky. Hindu mythology regards the 7 stars in the Ursa Major constellation as represented 7 rishis saints. Hence, the Hindi name for this constellation is Saptarishi, and Saptarishi means 7 stars part Great Bear. Now the turn of Moon. The Moon, our nearest neighbor in the space, is a natural satellite of the Earth. It takes nearly 29.5 solar days for the Moon to make one complete revolution around the Earth. Although one half of the Moon, the half facing the Sun, is always illuminated by the sunlight, the lighted up portion of the Moon appears to change shape as viewed by the Earth. This is due to changes in the relative position of the Earth, the Sun and the Moon. During the first half of the Moon's orbit, the Moon's apparent size grows, waxes. During the remaining half of its orbit, the Moon appears to decrease once in size. On a full moon day, the Earth lies in between the Moon and the Sun. On this day, full face of Moon is visible to us. On a new moon day, nearly 15 days after the full moon day, the Moon is on the another side of the earth, hence we can't see it. On the days following the moon, the illuminated part of the moon that is visible from earth appears crescent in shape. The size of illuminated part goes on increasing day by day until its full face becomes visible again on the full moon day. These appearances of the moon on different days are known as phases of the moon.